what are the banks, billionaires, hedge funds, and other smart money traders buying and selling right now? Well, in this video, I will reveal a tool I use to find smart money trading strategies that beat the market. Alright guys, so let's not waste any time here. The tool we will be using today is called InvestingPro. And if you are watching this video before December 4th, you are in luck, because InvestingPro is right now having a huge Black Friday sale. With the normal Black Friday, you can get up to 60% off, but I have actually managed to get an even better offer for our community. To claim your Black Friday offer, simply go down here to the top of the description or the pinned comment. Next, simply press this link, and as you can see right here, you can get up to 70% off. So we click 70% off. If you go to the buy yearly plan here, you can see that the full discount applies. And another thing you want to make sure, if you press subscribe now, you want to make sure that on checkout it says Mind Math Money right here. By using the code Mind Math Money here, you can take advantage of the best deal available. But now then, so when you first open up your InvestingPro, it should look something like this. The very first screen here is something called watch list, and here you can see a few companies I have added to our watch list, and you will also get automatic gradings here for, you know, the health of the company, the cash flow, and there are just so many metrics right here. But this is actually not the focus of today's video. The InvestingPro also have AI trading strategies. So these are basically stock picks based on a complicated AI model. And as you can see, for example, their AI trading strategy called IT15 has a total return of 2000% with an outperformance of 1700% here. And I actually made a video about the AI trading strategies earlier. So if you want to, you can check out that video where I go over step by step how these AI trading strategies works. But this video we will actually focus on something called ideas, because this is the tab where we can find smart money trading strategies. And what do I mean by this? Well, if you make sure to go to the ideas tab here, and then you can actually scroll down. Here you can see that we can filter strategies based on investor types. So if we only want to see trading strategies by billionaires, we can choose billionaires, but we can also, for example, choose banks, hedge funds, trust, venture capital, and more and more. But what we also can do here is that we can search. So we can search for maybe investment themes, but we can also search for actual people. So let's say that we want to take a look at Ray Dalio. And if you don't know, Ray Dalio is the founder of one of the world's largest hedge funds called Bridgewater. Ray Dalio is also an author. A book I really like here is called Principles for Dealing with the Changing World Order. This is a fascinating read about sort of very large macro trends and basically what makes nations rise and fall when it comes to economics. He has other books as well, but I really like this one. I thought it was a fascinating read. So Ray Dalio is not only a good investor, but he does have very interesting sort of general ideas as well. But so let's say that we want to take a look at what Ray Dalio is trading right now. What stocks is he holding? What is he doing? Well, then we simply click on Ray Dalio's portfolio. And right here, you can see that we have a pretty comprehensive overview of Ray Dalio's portfolio. As you can see here, we have the recent data, and if we look down, we can see the performance of 1 year, 3 year, and 5 years. And as you can see, over this period, Ray Dalio has made 200% in profit, which is definitely not bad, especially considering how large his portfolio is. And here, in the ranking tables, this is a very important section. Here you can see exactly what Ray is holding and trading right now. So you can see here, we can see the names of the companies, and you can also see how the percentage of these companies in the portfolio. So if you, for example, want to copy Ray Dalio and hold exactly the same things as him, you can simply look at this list. So by getting Investing Pro, you will have access to this full list and so many other traders as well. If we scroll down a bit more, we can see here the sector concentration. So we can see what industries are Ray Dalio holding right now. And if we scroll down even more, we have so much more, tons of information. I really don't have time to go over everything in this video, but if you are someone that likes to dive deep into data and really analyze stocks, this is definitely an interesting tool. But let's say that, okay, we now know what Ray Dalio is doing, but let's say that we, want to check out something else. Maybe we want to take a look at, Warren Buffett right here. Then we simply search for Warren Buffett and we can check out Buffett's portfolio. Once again, we can see how has Warren Buffett's portfolio performed compared to the market, and we can see that Buffett has beaten the market. We can go down here to see exactly what he is holding. We can see the sector concentration, and down here we can analyze all the stocks. We can analyze the risk, returns, efficiency, projections of all the stocks Buffett is holding right now. But okay, so we now know that we can search for investment, we can search for famous investors and so on and so on. But now I want to show you guys that we can also filter here. So let's say that we only want to look at billionaire investors. Then we go down here to where it says investor type, and we simply choose billionaire right here. Now we will only see the portfolios and trading strategies here by billionaires. For example, down here we have Bill Ackman, might be a familiar name to many of you guys. But let's say that we also want to see hedge funds. So then we simply choose hedge funds right here. And you can see also the return of 3 years. So for example, right here, we can see a guy with a return of on just 3 years, we have a return of 500%. And in 5 years, we have a massive return here of 2000%, which is very, very impressive. But yeah, guys, as I said, I don't want to keep this video too long, but if you are more on the analytical side and are interested in real smart money trading strategies, then don't hesitate to check out Investing Pro. Remember, use the link down below for the current Black Friday sale of 70%. And even if you missed the Black Friday, you can still use the link to get a good discount. But all right, so if you want to dive deeper into Investing Pro, I highly recommend to watch this video next. In this video, we'll take a look at the AI trading strategies you get from Investing Pro.